In today's video, I want to talk about the basics of our work, the Alexander technique. And I want to share with you the 4 top reasons our clients come to see us. I am Hector Arcais, the director of the Centre Technique Alexander and a HeartMath coach and trainer. Welcome to our videos where we will be sharing with you our knowledge and experience with the work we have been researching, practicing and teaching for over 20 years. Our holistic approach guides you to a new inner state of being so that your body not only comes into alignment but stays in alignment. And whether you already have an experience of the Alexander technique or you're discovering it today for the first time, we are here to help you explore some of the aspects of our work and provide a glimpse of how we can help you on your journey. So let's begin with the 4 top reasons our clients come to see us. And the first reason is chronic pain, neck, shoulders, back pain, but also migraine, the inflammation of the sciatic nerve, and RSI pain, repetitive strain injury pain. The second reason is to improve the performance. Actors, musicians, and athletes in general want to manage stress to improve the overall balance and coordination. They want to learn how to be more energy efficient and to recover more quickly. The third reason is to deal with some psychological issues like a mild form of depression, anxiety, or panic attacks. And finally, the 4th reason our clients come to see us is personal development, personal growth, and expansion. As we can see, all these challenges, all these elements are connected, and this is why our holistic approach is so practical and useful. What our clients learn is that as they transform their posture, as they restructure their postural attitude, they begin to move in a more balanced and harmonious way. They feel calmer, more present, more poised. And in this new awareness of self, usually the pain goes away. They also learn about those unconscious habits of mind, body, and emotions that are limiting their reactions and therefore their daily choices. We know our perceptions are subjective. We feel and perceive according to our habits, according to past experiences. And if we want to transform some aspects of our life, for example, the way we move, then we need to develop a new awareness, a new conscious awareness, a new understanding of what we are doing and how we are doing it. And this is precisely what you can expect to learn with us. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate your interest, and we hope we have inspired you to find out more about us and our work. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe for future clips and updates. In the meantime, you can always visit us at buildingresilience.ch. Goodbye for now.